Let me show you how to adjust all DPI settings in Samsung Galaxy A27 5G. So we're going to start by opening settings on our device, and then we'll be able to find all DPI settings in display options. Here we want to scroll down and focus on three options. So first thing is motion smoothness. Here you can change the display refresh rate between adaptive or standard mode. Adaptive offers up to 120 Hz display refresh rate. Then in font size and style, you'll be able to change the display size for your screen. So we can, font size on your screen. You can change it to the right to make it bigger, or swipe it to the left to make it smaller. Then we can go back to the display settings and enter screen zoom. This allows you to switch between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different levels of display size. You can also make it bigger on the right and smaller on the left. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.